How to install Valorant on Epic Games for free. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to install Valorant on Epic Games for free. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Epic Games. Then click on the first link to access the Epic Games Store. Use the search bar to type Valorant and click on the game when it appears. You may be prompted to select your date of birth. Do so and then click Continue. On the game page, click Get to start the process. Then log in using your Google account by clicking on the Google icon. Now choose your Google account and enter the 6-digit security code sent to your email. Click Continue, then confirm by selecting Yes. That's correct. Accept the terms by clicking the box and clicking Accept. Finally, click Place Order to add Valorant to your Epic Games library. Once added, you can install the game through the Epic Games launcher and start playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.